cool. Death Phone Kilo. Fresno. Yeah. Go with the flow for the love of the dough. Smoking on dope, feeling so cold, but I live in fucking hell, so why don't I feel fucking want? Do I need opiates in my body? Feeling sicker than the Soviets, catching bodies, all the fucking Germans serving here to consider this for a fucking moment. We all gon' die and there ain't no knowing what's in the afterlife. We all just dive head first, nose deep. Go to hell, go to heaven, those things are the things that we think about every now and then. But honestly, I don't really give a fuck, cause I found me, lost me a couple friends that believe in the same beliefs as me. So fuck what you think, 666, 666 to the day that I ride. So fuck what you thought. I fear no devil and I trust no God. That's my motherfucking motto. My motherfucking motto. Almost slipped up, but it's all fucking good, cause I got luck on my side. Maybe one day I'll win the fucking lotto. I don't need this rap shit, but nigga, that's a long shot, just like this rap shit. That's what they fucking tell me. But it's all good, cause all the hate that they gives me, that they tell me, gives me energy. Just a motherfucking plot on my enemies. Got my dog barking cause that nigga tripping on the enemy. Don't you see all my motherfucking homies around me, getting high, getting lit, getting fucked up. It ain't really fucking nothing, nigga. I don't give a fuck, cause I really ain't fucking. I'ma really be something. Got my dog fucking barking, that nigga really fucking doing some shit I don't even fucking know. Nigga fucking tripping off all these niggas, mad niggas in Fresno. They so fucking grimy, they so fucking slimy. They just like the snakes in the grass, so you gotta cut them with the fucking clippers. I don't really give a fuck, cause I really smoke swishers in the Dutchess. I don't really give a fuck about whatever I smoke, nigga, as long as it's good, nigga. I got the fucking shake and I chop that shit, so I get pretty lit while I'm smoking on my good, nigga. Get it for the gym, nigga, got it for the plug, nigga. I don't give a fuck what you think, cause you know that I do what's good, nigga, cause even though it's fucking bad, I still think it's good. And these niggas tryna say that I don't know nothing, but it's all good, cause at the end of the day, I know who I am. A motherfucking fucked up little motherfucker that was addicted to the Zans and addicted to some coke, but now he just smokes streets trying to get his life right. But it's pretty hard, cause I don't know who I got by my side anymore. But nigga, that's just Fresno.